NDTV used to run several of these shows. One was called Left, Right, and Center, and this and that.
Nidhi.
And
Nidhi used to run
it always used to be the most inarticulate buffoon on the right against the most articulate character on the left, with two Naxalites pretending to be the center.
Okay, this is true.
This is true. And what happened was everybody took on that model.
Yogendra Yadav used to be
Everybody took on that model and they changed it around to make it something else. Okay, which is that you would get, they pick and choose. In Tamil, the word is Vadigattana Muttal. Vadigatti is sieve.
He knows.
No, I know.
No,
He knows.
he knows.
इसको edit कर देना.
ये कुछ नहीं जानता.
बाकी किसी को करो ना करो.
Nodding his head. Like he
No,
आनंद को
you're
सब
right.
पता है.
Vadigatti is a sieve.
Yes.
ठीक है, Muttal is an idiot, so a distilled idiot, right? So they get Vadigattana Muttals from the left, and you know why? Because it sells. They come and say stupid things, and it goes viral.
But I have
But
to say- I
why
have
you
to tell an
objecting
ND
to
but I
that?
have to
You
tell you an
also
NDTV
no
story.
1 minute. You
अब जैसे
also
विवेक श्रीवास्तव है.
One second.
you also tweet, you also say stuff on podcasts, and you also come on television channels and say the most bizarre things.
Yeah.
It's to go viral.
But see,
And that's why you're there.
No, you're confusing.
इसका
उसका
nature
nature
क्या
है.
करे इसका दिल ही है.
पर लोग इसको बुलाते भी इसी वजह से.
You're confusing virality with I
Vitality.
am a professional
So
maledictorian.
I'm just returning all the food because I'm on a diet. So I'm
अरे!
not eating.
This is unacceptable भाई फिर मैं भी.
I am
नहीं आप खाओगे. आप पतले हो आप
नहीं
खाओगे.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
I am a
मेरा weight बढ़ गया
professional
2 किलो.
maledictologist.
हाँ.
Okay, a maledictologist is one who studies the science of galis. Okay, there was actually a
कहाँ से
actual
कहाँ
academic
पहुँचे हैं?
journal dedicated to my stream of study, which was called Maledicta. It started in 1977.
या पता नहीं कहाँ बात कर रहे हैं.
कहाँ
But I
पहुंच
have to
गया
tell you
ये.
this
दो
story
तीन
in
गाली
short.
दे चल.
Okay,
Very
ये-
short. I was on NDTV. I won't tell you the anchor's name, and the other side of the BJP.
When?
This was before the Adanis took
तो
over.
ये बताओ ना.
No, before the
पुराना वाला
पुराना वाला NDTV. अब वो बीजेपी वाले
Disclaimer: we've all been on that पुराना वाला.
पुराना
NDTV
वाला।
also.
अब वो
Yes,
बेचारे
पुराना
बीजेपी
है।
वाले ने
Oh my
वो
God.
बीजेपी वाले ने सब अपनी बात रख दी. अब आई वाज ऑल रेडी कि मुझे अपने पॉइंट्स रखने हैं. अब एंकर ने शुरू किया, एंकर साहिबा ने शुरू की. वही सारे मेरे पॉइंट्स बोल रही है, काउंटर कर रही है बीजेपी को. अब खत्म हो गया 2 मिनट के बाद उसको शी काउंटर बीजेपी. आई हैड नथिंग टू से. ऑल माय पॉइंट्स आर सेड बाय हर. So I said, ma'am, you only fight with the BJP, I'll leave. What do you say? It's true.
No, but then people say that now of today's anchors that ये सारे बीजेपी का लाइन ले रहे हैं
यार
तो they are
मैं
all
ये ना गोदी मीडिया को एक बार कहना चाहता हूँ. NDTV जैसा गोदी मीडिया ना तो कभी हुआ है ना कभी होगा.
Old one.
Old one.
You said that.
Those guys were charlatans dressed as God knows what. Documented records है. Even Manmohan Singh rang up Pranay Roy, and I have a tweet on this, blasted him for one show that they ran that was tangentially anti-Congress. This was the kind of association they had. The Prime Minister used to ring up the head of NDTV to say, ये क्या दिखा दिया तुमने, क्या कर रहे हो, माफी
ये
मांगो.
हर सरकार करती है. So excuse me
No,
for
but I'm
being
saying
the
वो लोग
naysayers.
Every government
accuse
does.
करते
Every
हैं यार.
government.
They are
that's
the
right.
ones. That's what I'm saying.
So those people who sit on these pulpits. Now
That's
I
all
also
I'm
went
saying.
on this podcast and I said the same thing. I said that this term Godi media unfortunately came from an old NDTV. I'm saying old NDTV because not the new NDTV, but the old NDTV anchor who said this. And then I said that they went in Pakistan and they one of the
terrace.
anchors went on the terrace of the INB minister's house and did a broadcast from there where we had to pay for satellite costs.
Yeah.
All other channels, there were just 2 or 3 in those days, but we paid for satellite TV out there from VSNL. But these guys broadcast from there using PTV signal, Pakistan television signal, and JKLF का पीछे उनके tent थे. The JKLF guys used to stay in the courtyard of that information broadcasting minister's house. Now, most people from the right who want to promote that part are saying that it was Ravish who anchored it. Now, I can't say this, name the anchor because it would be unfair because I wasn't there to see which anchor did it, but it was certainly not Ravish who did it. But Ravish knew that it was happening. You know, he turned a blind eye to it. Fine, you're working in an organization. You're not responsible for editorial decisions of the entire organization, only your show. But my point is this thing of Godi Media, which is said today, sorry, but it's existed all along. It depends on you.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.